Well, we've arrived in Georgetown. This is the harbor slash anchorage, one of the anchorage areas. See, there's a few boats around. I don't know if there's people on them or not, but there are some people running around doing some snorkeling and diving and such. This is the actual town of Georgetown is way over there. See if I can zoom in for you. It's about to get rained on. We missed thunderstorms all day. We'll probably get one here in a little bit. And it's going to be another pretty sunset. Our GPS chart plotter gave up the ghost today. Mark and I are going to work on it tonight and figure out dinner later. Well, we're headed almost straight east now. It is Friday in the afternoon. Swells have gotten a lot calmer than they were this morning. The color of the water is just incredible here. And then the sky against it, you can see, is really pretty. We're headed out to the 65 latitude, longitude, and then going to turn east. We're going to shift about a day and a half and head on down to the BVI from there. We alight at first, and then it'll pick up to be about 25 knots on the beam headed into the BVI. So we'll see how long we can keep it up. And right now I'm fishing. We'll see if it comes of anything.